Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device is unlocked and updated. This avoids menu changes mid-process. Open Settings and then tap the Control Center section. This is where access rules live. Once there, scan the available toggles and permissions. You need to decide whether to restrict Control Center on the lock screen, inside apps, or both. Make that choice now. Select the lock screen option first, so the system knows you intend to lock access when the device is unattended. Once done with the initial choice, turn off the Control Center access toggle for the lock screen. This forces the lock code, Face ID, or Touch ID before any access. If you want stricter control, also disable access within apps. This prevents accidental or malicious swipes while using apps. Make sure to save or exit settings so the change applies. Now lock the device and perform the swipe gesture. You should see the Control Center blocked unless you authenticate, which confirms the restriction is active. To finish, double-check the settings page to confirm the toggles stayed off. Sometimes updates revert preferences, so make sure they persist. If Control Center still appears on the lock screen, reboot the device and retest the swipe. This clears transient issues. If problems continue, temporarily reset Control Center preferences and reconfigure the toggles. This often fixes corrupted settings. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. If nothing works, record the steps you took before contacting support so you can reproduce the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.